How to swim. Get comfortable in the water, but don't go swimming alone, and stay at a comfortable depth. Get used to floating and practice exhaling underwater. Practice kicking your leg, and learn basic crawl, such as backstroke or frontstroke. Learn how to tread water and how to use your arm to come up from the bottom. Getting comfortable in the water. Let go of your fear. Allow of people of learning to swim because they're afraid of drowning. While drowning do occur, most of them could have been prevented by simple safety measures. Follow the guidelines whenever you're swimming, and avoid of drowning will decrease dramatically. Don't swim alone. Always go swimming with another person who strong swimmer, if no several other people. En area with alifeguari usually a best place to swim. Don't start out swimming in moving water. If you're learning to swim in an ocean or river, you'll need to be more aware of the motion of the water. If you must learn to swim the way, try to make sure you're with someone who knows it doing, and be sure to read step about getting out of a riptide or a rushing river, below. Stay with an adept you can handle. When you're first learning to swim, don't venture into water too deep for you to stand in. That way, if something goes amiss, you can simply stand up and breathe. Avoid swimming during inclement weather conditions. Swimming in a light rain should be fine, but if you see a storm approaching, get out of the water immediately. Try to be followed regardless of where you can swim. Don't swim in water too cold. Moving your limb ou paddle can become suddenly difficult if you're in frigid water. Get used to floating. When you're in the water, hold on to the side of the pool or a dock, and lay your leg flat out behind you. They should lift easily if you let them. But, for some people, they like to sink to the bottom, while your upper body float. Don't worry, just treat method again. Practice doing on your stomach and on your back, until you're used to letting half of your body flat. Try floating on your back or your stomach as soon as you're ready. Stay in a shallow depth so that you can simply stand up if no working out. It might feel fair to have water around your ear while your nose and mouth are in the air, but you'll get used to it. For extra stability, pull out your arm at a right angle so that your body is in a shape. Don't panic. Always remember that you have a fallback if you're in an unmanageable depth or you simply can't move your limb, floating on your back. Don't fly around or start breathing quickly if you can swim, simply lie back and fly you can, and let the water carry you while you regain your composure. Practice exhaling underwater. While you're still in a shallow depth, take a deep breath and pull your face underwater. Slowly exhale out your nose until you're out of breath, then come back up. Bubbles should come out. You can also exhale out of your mouth, but usually in big bubble until you finally let out a stream of bubble. If you're uncomfortable exhaling through your nose, you can hold it closed or wear a nose plug and exhale through your mouth. Wear goggle, optional. Wearing goggle can help you feel more comfortable opening your eye underwater, and might allow you to see more clearly. Find a pair with a spongy circle around the dip them into water, so that they'll stick to your skin. Tighten the straw around the back of your head so that the goggle fits snugly. Beginning stroke and treading water. Practice kicking your leg. Whether you're floating on your back or still holding onto the side of the pool, you can practice kicking. Try a flute kick. Point your toe out like a ballerina, keep your leg mostly straight, and alternate leg as you make a small kick. You should feel the most flexion in your ankle. Try a whip kick. Keep your leg held tightly to get from your hip to your knee, and from your knee to your ankle. Bend your knee so that your shin come up to about a 90° angle, then kick bring your shin apart and move them in a circular motion, keeping your tig to get to all time. Bring your chin back to GT at bottom of the circle, en lift them up again to restart kick. Triangle at kick. Tiki comme lit use to tread water, en stay in a vertical position with your head and shoulder above water. Start with your knee on your leg slightly with it en bit apart. Ten pedal leg you hold on a beak, only tail go in opposite direction, wheel on leg pedal forward, total leg shoulder backward. Tion tack some practice to jet use to, but on for resting when your feet can't touch bottom. Lear no to do a crawl. Crawler grea stroke to lear na abogine, en tail move you pretty quickly. Euro to do them. Tria backstroke first. Flat on your back, en do a flute kick with your leg. With your arm, do to crawl motion, lifting your arm straight and out en keeping it straight it enter the water next to your head. Once underwater, bend it to bring it back to a straight position next to your side, en repea. Alternate a you swim, en try to keep your fin jet en your en a flat possible. Try a front stroke. Floating on your stomach, do a flute kick with your leg and use your arm to crawl forward. Bring an arm out of the water so reaching forward, then bring it back down and use your cupid and to push the water behind you. Alternate arm. To breath, turn your head to one side and the arm currently crawling, lifting and hug for you to take a breath. Take a breath and the same arm team, so your breathing on every two stroke. Tread water. Treading water can help you catch your breath and keep your head up to actually swimming. Do the beat kick listed above, and use your arm to keep your balance bicycling, keep your forearm flat on the surface of the water, and imagine your butt knife spreading on a piece of toast. Move an arm in a clockwise circle, and to the arm in a counterclockwise circle. Use your arm to come up from the bottom. If you're below water and you would like to come up, use your arm to propel yourself. Put them straight up above your head, and quickly bring them down to your side. This should push you up a fait. Repea until you break the surface. Learning advanced technique. Try some more advanced stroke. Once you're more comfortable in the water, you can start learning new stroke that will move you more quickly or with less energy. Try to learn the dolphin stroke. Butterfly stroke. Swim to breaststroke. Side stroke. Try swimming laps. Try diving. Dive can be a fun way to jet into the water en star stroke. Start with a basic dive, en move on to more complicated swan dive, back dive, en rolling dive. Alve make sur the water is deep en hug before you dive. A bar minimum, the water should be 9 for this fait, 2.7 or 3.0 m, deep, if you're a tall person, make it at least 11 or 12 fait, 3.4 or 3.7 m. Ben prepared for une likely situation. Know to jet out of a riptide. If you're swimming in the ocean, you might get caught in a riptide. Knowing what to do can save your life, so try to memorize the steps before you jet into the water. Do no panic. Be far, the most important step of all. Be flailing and panicking, you could actually keep yourself under the water. Swim sideways. Do not try to swim directly to shore or directly out furte into the ocean. Instead, try to swim in a line that exactly parallel to the shoreline. Swim in a stroke that allow you to breathe. Swim with the strongest stroke you can that also allow you plenty of room to breathe. It might be a side stroke, front crawl, or breaststroke. Keep swimming until you're out of riptide. You might have to swim quite far before you're safely out of the riptide, but keep going. You don't want to undo the good work you've done so far by heading for shore at the wrong time. If possible call out for help. If you can, motion to the life or real help. As soon as possible. However, don't do if it means sacrificing a breath or if you have to stop swimming, it's better to keep yourself moving. No to get out of arrive cure. If your coquine arrive ta flowing to kick your pushing you and follow the steps to get out. Don't fly or panic. Awit arrived, panicking and flying your lamp can push you de paint out water. Try to take even breath en remain calme. 1 to swim diagonally toward shoreline. Swimming toward shoreline à 90 degrés angle will force you to fight with the current or mush, and might cause you to become exhausted quickly. Instead, plan to jet to the shoreline à diagonal angle tag with the current. Don't try to swim upstream. You'll spent or mush en ergi for no en ougresu. Only try to swim upstream if the immediate danger downstream, suchachar rock or a waterfall. Type. Always start off swimming laissons sommet euro heurterar no occurrence en wave. Use safety equipment. In case you're practicing for the first time en sommet in Japan, t'équipement can be of use. It will take time, so be patient. Close your mouth, so that you will no jet water in it. Using float can be agreeable to start learning different type of swimming. Practice with family member until you feel confident in the water on your own. If you're a beginner, swim close to the edge so you can hold on if you need to. Practice with an experienced swimmer for more help. Close your mouth for the water can no jet into your system and you don't know to have in it. Use a kickboard, life jacket, or arm float to help stay afloat if you feel nervous about moving around the water.